Hello everyone, I'm Ravina. Welcome to Spices and Aromas. Today I'm excited to share a unique twist on a traditional Mangalorean Christmas snack, Karakaddi. This time I've experimented by adding potatoes and flavorful green masala as told to me by one of my friend Anita. Thank you so much for this recipe. Let's dive straight into the process. Let's start by frying 1 tablespoon of cumin or jeera. After it's fried, add 1 teaspoon of carom seeds or ajwain and just fry it for 30 seconds. Adding 1 tablespoon of asafoetida or hing, powder it. Powdering helps to prevent from the ingredients getting stuck in the molds. Next, let's prepare the green masala. I have used 2 potatoes. 1 potato is good enough. I just had 1 extra potato, so I added it. Next, let's prepare the green masala. I have added 1 potato, 12 green chilies, 5 sprigs curry leaves, 1 small cup mint, big cup of coriander leaves. Blend everything into a smooth paste. Now let's work with the besan. I will sieve 1 kg of besan or gram flour. You can also powder 1 kg of chana dal and then sieve it. That also comes out tasty. Now I am adding the powdered ingredients and mix it well. Add salt to taste followed by half cup hot oil. Initially mix it using a wooden spatula to avoid burns and then press it with your palm. This helps making the Karakaddis crispy and nice. Please do like, follow and subscribe for my channel for all the updates on my upcoming recipes. The recipe link for preparing the traditional method of Karakaddis for Christmas is present in the description box, and also you will find the details of this recipe there. Add the green masala and knead it into a smooth dough, adding water as needed. You can also add ginger garlic paste. Cover the dough with a muslin cloth to avoid drying. It's time to prepare the Karakaddis. First, grease the mold using oil. Greasing the mold helps to easily press the Karakaddis into the oil. Once the oil is heated, take small portions of the dough. With wet hands or using very little oil, knead the dough once again just to make it a bit moist and add it to the mold. Press the Karakaddis into the hot oil as shown in the video and fry it on both sides. While frying, you can sprinkle some curry leaves for that extra flavor. And there you have it, delicious, crispy and crunchy Karakaddi, perfect to serve and enjoy during the festive season. I have used coconut oil for frying the Karakaddis. For a longer shelf life, you can use normal sunflower refined oil. Thank you so much for joining me in kitchen today. See you soon, and until we meet next time, I wish you happy cooking.